Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and today, as you can see, I have absolutely no makeup on yet at all. So that means I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna keep the intro really short and just jump right into the video. So for today, the only thing I have on my face right now is this moisturizer from Clinique. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus, and I use this morning and night when my face is completely clean. I wash my face every day and every night, and once I'm done with that, I apply this with like additional products like serums, eye cream, and all that other good stuff. So this is the only thing I have on my face at the moment, and shockingly my eyebrows are not done, so I do look crazy right now, but we are going to jump into the brows. So like I had mentioned before in my last video, I have been absolutely obsessed with this this brow pencil from LA Girl. This is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Medium Brown. I have been using this like crazy, you guys. It's one of the best eyebrow pencils that, I've tried, and I haven't tried many. I've tried one from Maybelline and I didn't like it. I felt like it was like really waxy, and I just didn't. It was a thick one. It wasn't the thin one that's similar to this one, but I did not like it. And I'm usually a powder brow kind of girl, so for me to say that I love this brow pencil means a lot. So I'm just gonna start brushing my brows upwards with this spoolie on the other end, just like that. I also want to get my hair in my face, so I'm going to use that to get that away. And like I said, I'm just brushing them out. So now I'm gonna take the pencil and just start filling in. Alright, so now that I'm done filling in my brows with that pencil, I'm going to go in with my favorite. This is the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette, and I'm just going to grab this shade right here. This is the one I've been grabbing lately, and I'm just going to set that pencil so it doesn't slide everywhere. Alright, so that is how I've been filling in my brows lately. I've been loving the stage my brows are at right now because I haven't had to use concealer. I haven't been using concealer to clean them up or anything. I just love the way how they look naturally. All I have to do is fill them in, and they look really good right now, which is amazing. And let's see, so now I'm gonna go in with some primer, and for primer today I'm gonna go in with this one. I have been gravitating towards a lot, and I've only been using this one. I know usually I go in with two, but I've only been using this one, and this is the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up face primer. This is Good by Pores. For foundation, I have been using this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus Foundation, and this is in the shade Desert Beige, and I have been loving this a lot. Yeah, I've been using this way too much. And this brush right here, I got this in a kit. This is the brand Kenzie. This one I got from TJ Maxx, and these brushes right here, you guys, are amazing. I actually want to look for another set of brushes from this brand because they have been working so good for me. They apply foundation and bronzer, setting powder so good, like no joke, and they're at your at the TJ Maxx. And this is exactly how I apply my foundation when I'm rushing, just like this. And I'm just grabbing my brush and just blending everything out. Do you see how beautiful this foundation brush just works really nicely to blend out the foundation? Absolutely love it. Oh my God. And just so you guys know, I have been using this brush more than my Real Technique sponge, and I'm usually like, I can't be without my Real Technique sponge, but this brush right here, you guys, has been like my go-to brush. It is really good for foundation, for cream contouring, and even to blend out like the remaining concealer. It's really, really good. So if you know, go to TJ Maxx or whatever, look for the Kenzie brand and these brushes right here with the silver handles. Super amazing brushes, you guys, and they make your life so easy to apply makeup and really, really fast because there are no streaks on my face. Buffs out the foundation really, really good. So moving on to concealer, I'm gonna move in with this right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 25 medium. So I'm going to apply concealer. Alright, so to blend out my concealer, I have been using this brush right here. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's a nice marble handle. It's part of a nice, what is it? I think it's a 12-piece set. And this is the number 6 brush from the kit. And it's really good to blend out concealer underneath the eye. I'm going to go back in with that foundation brush and I'm just going to pat everything out. Not buff, but like just pat it in and make sure there's no harsh lines or anything, just so everything looks flawless. And yes, just so you know, I do cream contour every morning, and I've been using this one right here. This is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and this is in the shade F13. I don't do like a crazy contour. I usually just do it just to bronze up a little bit, nothing major. And this just is gonna help me get some, you know, a little bit of color. And with that, I go in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To set my under eye, I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder, and I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques setting brush. To set my cream contour, I'm going to go in with my favorite, and this is the Maybelline Master Bronze palette. I'm going to grab another brush from that same BH Cosmetics kit, and I'm just grabbing the last 2 shades and just setting that cream contour. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush, and I have been using To Death my Milani in the shade Luminoso. Absolutely my fave. It's already like there's no dome to it. Look, it's like completely flat, but this is the one I've been using and I love so much. And if you feel like you added too much, just like I do right now, you can go back in with that bronzer brush and just blend everything out. Just tap it out, just like that, and it'll just blend with everything else. So the palette that I have been using to death, you guys, and I mean to death, I've been putting this palette to work, oh my god, is this one right here. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration palette. And I don't know if you guys can see it with the light, but I'm sure you guys got a glimpse of it right here. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette. You guys have no idea. This palette has been working for me like every single day, like no joke. When I need a palette, this is the one that's there, because my vanity, like I said, it is a complete mess, and this is the only palette that I can actually grab right now. So I usually grab this shade right here. I don't have the names, but it's this shade here, and I mix like literally all these 5 shades together and just tap it off, and literally just like start at the outer corner, and I'm grabbing, what is this, my MAC 224, just literally blend it on the outer corner and then bring it in to the crease, into the inner corner. And I'm doing the same thing, grabbing all those 3 shades, tapping it out and applying a little bit more, focusing it on the outer corner, and then bringing it into the inner corner, just like that. This is honestly like the simplest look of my life. This right here just adds so much to my everyday look. Like, it really looks like I tried so hard, but I really didn't. And then I go in with a little bit of this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, and I just honestly pick up any types of browns. And then I'm grabbing this brush right here. This is also from a BH Cosmetics kit. And I just apply this onto the lower lash line, just so it doesn't look heavy on the top and nothing on the bottom. You want to keep a nice balance. It looks kind of crazy there, so I'm going to go back in with my setting brush and just blend this out a tad bit. But that is pretty much it for the eyes. And actually, no, I'm lying. Where is this little brush? So I'll grab like a little brush like this. This is like a little pencil brush. And I mean, you can grab anything. You can grab this nice little shimmer shade, vanilla, whatever. And just apply that onto the inner corner. I'm going to grab the first one. Apply that onto the inner corner. And it just brings a little bit of light into the eyes. And honestly, you guys, it looks like you tried. You can apply this on the brow bone. I have a little hair on my nose. Gotcha. So yeah, you can obviously apply this on the brow bone if you would like, but honestly, like, I don't want to. This is the look that I have been doing every single day, and I apply a little bit on the tip of my nose, just like that. Just like that. Nothing crazy. And what else? I like to go back in with my Maybelline Master Bronze palette, and I'm grabbing the highlight shade, and this is with the Morphe M510 brush. And I'm just going to tap that, well, not tap that, but pat that on the high cheek and on the Cupid's bow. Nothing crazy, you guys, and honestly, this is really like what I've been doing as of lately. And for lips, you guys, I have been loving this lip liner. This is, I'm going to butcher the name so bad, but from the brand Rimmel. This is the, what is this? This is the Lasting Finish lip liner. Stay on Lip Contouring Pencil, and this is in the shade number 45. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like the Spice one, but just a little bit darker. And this is in this shade Cafe Au Lait. Cafe Au Lait. I can't say it. I'm sorry. I will leave it down below for you guys if you guys are interested, but I have been loving this shade right here. It just makes my lips, like when I line them, overline them, it just looks so natural and it looks like I got my lips done, but I would never do that. I kind of like my lips, you know, they're not too big, not too small. They're just pretty perfect for me. But I mean, sometimes I want to, like, you know, go a little bigger and just make them look plump and a little luscious. So what I do is I just grab this lip liner and it works amazing. All right, so as you can see for my lips with that lip liner, all I do is outline my lips and I darken up like the inner corner right there. And it's just gonna make it look a little bit bigger. So it's basically like you're contouring your lips, if that makes sense. I mean, it should make sense. I don't know why I said that, but it definitely makes sense. It's like you're contouring your lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And this is in the shade London. You guys, I forgot all about my lashes. So I don't usually wear falsies throughout the week because it takes a lot of time. So what I do is I like to go in with my eyelash curler and I curl them. I have the worst lashes ever, even when I like curl them or apply mascara. I mean, it really doesn't do much for me. It kind of does, but it's not as full as I want them to look. So what I do is I like to go in with this one. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I just start applying it and hopefully they start looking pretty decent. To finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, this is like the most easiest and simplest look of life. I have been doing this look every single day, like religiously. This is like I could do this half asleep if I wanted to. But I just, you know, it's a good go-to look because you look presentable, you look like you've tried, you look glowy, you just look good, you know what I mean? And honestly, like, I love these products. I can always count on these products, and honestly, these are the only products right now that I can actually grab in the morning because my vanity is a complete mess, like no joke mess. So yeah, and this is pretty much it. So I hope I was able to help you out, and hopefully, you know, the products that work for me work for you. And if you haven't tried them, try them out. I love that Morphe Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. I'm pretty sure they still sell them at Ulta, or you can find them on Morphe.com, or I don't know, but definitely check that palette out if you have not yet. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.